Puerto Rico's housing market is in a crisis. Locals are being priced out of their own homes. And if nothing changes, the island is going to look very different in 10 years. But here's the kicker. This isn't just a problem. It's an opportunity for you to make a difference and build wealth for yourself. Let me show you how. First, let's talk about the issue. Puerto Rico just doesn't have enough houses. There's plenty of people who want to buy. Puerto Ricans love to be homeowners. There just isn't enough inventory. And because of that, prices are skyrocketing and locals are getting left behind. Now that sucks. But the truth is, every crisis creates an opportunity if you know what to look for. Look, you don't have to be rich. You don't have to have experience. You don't need a college degree. You didn't need to be born with a silver spoon in your mouth. You only need the right mindset and a simple plan. That's what real estate investing is. It's your way out. It's your way to help your local community. It's about taking that ugly duckling, those zombie houses that litter the island, the things that are unwanted, and they're forgotten. They're disgusting. They're dog shit ugly. Can I go on? I could. But here's the thing. It's about taking all of that and then turning it into something that's valuable. How do you do that, you ask? You do that through value-add real estate investing. And this is going to create homes for your community and wealth for you at the same time. You could be asking yourself, but how do I get started? Listen, that's what we teach here, step by step, one video at a time. That's why you like and subscribe to the channel. You want to be a real estate investor, and we want to be a part of your real estate investing story. So hit that freaking like button, share this video, and smash the subscribe thing. Don't just hit the subscribe when he gets jealous. Robert, why real estate though? Well, it's simple. Real estate investing, real estate ownership is the #1 way to build wealth. Tried and proven. Everybody knows it. We're talking about going all the way back in history. This has always been the way to create and hold wealth. One, you can start small. Getting into real estate investing, it doesn't have to be building a skyscraper. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Just buy the ugly duckling house on the block, fix it up, and resell it. Start small. Get in the game. Number 2, you don't have to create something new or the next app or be trendy or exciting on TikTok. Just renovate a home. People are always going to want a place to live, and real estate investing pretty much always goes up and to the right. And if you own real estate for a long enough period of time, you're going to hit a grand slam home run every single time. Number 3, as real estate investors, you're solving problems, and real estate investors get paid to solve problems. Every house that you fix or build or rent keeps local families on the island of Puerto Rico. And here's what most people don't realize. All the homes that you see on the island today were built by real estate investors, not big corporations and not Uncle Sam. Investors just like you and me. So here's what I think you should do next. If you're ambitious and you're ready to take action, don't try to figure it out alone. Real estate investing is a team sport. I've put together a ton of videos that break down step by step how you can find a deal and how you can fund it and how you'll create wealth one property at a time. Start small, think big. Should I just blow your mind? Think big, think bigger, and take control. Take control of your life. Get your freedom back. Look, Puerto Rico's housing crisis needs problem solvers like you, the local real estate investor. You can be part of the solution. You can change your family's future in the process. And we're here to be part of your story. Let's do it together. We expand our business through partnerships, and we love partnering with local real estate investors on the island of Puerto Rico to create wealth for everybody and help solve the problem of the housing crisis. Hey, join us on School. The link's in the description. You can join the free account. When you get over there, send me a DM. Mention this video. We'll set up a strategy call. That strategy call normally costs $500. I'll give it to you for free if you mention the video and tell me that you joined because you saw this one.